I am Ignacio. We are in Santa Clarita today. This is the parking lot. Back on that side, there's a trail for Whitney Canyon Falls, but today we're going somewhere else. On this side of the trail, on the left, we find the trail to go to Los Pinetos, also known as the Beast. But today we're going to go on the right in search for waterfalls. To get here, if you're coming from Los Angeles or San Fernando, take the 5 freeway north to the 14th. It will be the first exit on Newhall. You will find this parking lot on the right-hand side. It's actually free. About 10 minutes from the hike, we're going to find the first split. If you go on the right, that will take you to the top of that hill in the background. That's the Elsmere Canyon Loop Trail. About a month ago or two, I made a video of that place. At the end of this video, I'm going to leave a playlist of beautiful hiking places in Santa Clarita that you can check them out. Look for that one. But today, we're actually going to go on the left. We're basically going to follow this trail all the way. I'm going to be hiking right next to the creek. We're going to cross it about 12 or 14 times, so be prepared for that. Enjoy it. In the description of this video, I'm going to leave lots of information, including ways of helping my channel. Thank you so much for your support. In about a mile, we're going to get to this spot where we're going to find the split. Please look for it. If you keep going on this fire road to the right, that will take you to the Elsmere Canyon Loop Trail, the one I mentioned before. But today we're actually going to be going on the left. Remember, we are going to keep following the creek. Today is March 11, 2024, in case you were wondering. The best time to hike in Santa Clarita is in February, March, and April, especially if it has rain, because we find lots of greenery, wildflowers, and the creeks are running. In about 1.2 miles, we want to find a couple of creeks that merge together. We want to follow the one on the right. When you see this post, across the creek you will find the trail, and it's only about 1/10 of a mile to get to the waterfall. I'm not sure if you can see it through the bushes in there. I missed that part and I just kept going through boulders following the creek. So please, you can do that too. Be very careful. It is an adventure. And I found the trail again. Actually, this is the end of the trail. If you wanna keep on climbing from this point on, I just wanna let you know that it might be very slippery and dangerous, so you are doing it at your own risk. Please be very careful. Click on the links that are going to appear on the screen so you can keep watching more videos of beautiful Santa Clarita. Thank you so much. Until next time.